Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to send Solana from your Crypto.com account to your Coinbase wallet. This is especially relevant for 2025, as crypto processes might evolve, but I'll walk you through the basics to keep it simple and secure. Whether you're a beginner or just need a quick refresher, this step-by-step tutorial will have you transferring tokens in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have both the Crypto.com app and Coinbase Wallet app installed on your device, and that you're logged into your accounts. Always double-check that you have enough Solana in your Crypto.com wallet to cover the transfer amount plus any network fees. Step 1. Open the Crypto.com app and log in securely. Navigate to your wallet section and select Solana from your list of assets. This is where you'll initiate the transfer. Step 2. Once you're on the Solana page, look for the Withdraw or Send option. Tap on that, and you'll be prompted to enter the recipient's wallet address. Now, switch over to your Coinbase Wallet app. Step 3. In Coinbase Wallet, go to your Solana wallet address. Copy this address carefully. It's a long string of characters, so avoid any typos as they could lead to lost funds. Step 4. Back in Crypto.com, paste the Coinbase wallet address into the recipient field. Then, enter the amount of Solana you want to send. Remember to check the network, it should be the Solana network to ensure compatibility. Step 5. Review the transaction details, including fees and the final amount. If everything looks good, confirm the transfer. You'll get a confirmation notification, and the transaction should process within minutes, depending on network congestion. A quick tip. Always verify the wallet address twice before sending. Crypto transactions are irreversible, so stay cautious. Also, keep an eye on any gas fees associated with Solana transfers. And there you have it. That's how you send Solana from Crypto.com to Coinbase Wallet in 2025. If you follow these steps, you'll avoid common pitfalls and complete the process smoothly. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, hit that like button. Subscribe for more crypto guides, and drop a comment if you have questions. See you in the next video.